Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can combine your landing page builder to let people opt into your chatbot and let your chatbot do all the email follow-ups for you. So basically you will have your own ESP provider directly available inside of your chatbot. You can do all kinds of conditional based logic, sending emails based on that logic, and it will provide you with an all-round solution, not only to just chat with your subscribers and customers, but also to be able to send complete email marketing funnels. So let's take a look and dive in. For my landing page builder of choice, I'm using lightfunnels, and a link towards lightfunnels will be in the video description. I am just setting up a simple example. In this case, it's just a simple button that goes towards my chatbot flow. If we go towards the details of this button, you will see that it directs to an external page and this URL. This URL I just grabbed from my chatbot platform of choice, UChat, which will also be down in the video description if you want to try it out. So this is the flow that I'm directing people to. And I can just copy the Facebook page URL since this is a messenger flow. If you are choosing to opt into a different channel, then this will look really similar. It will just say copy page URL. I will just copy this and then paste it inside of this URL. Once done, you're basically set with your landing page. It's just a simple opt-in again. You can also grab the opt-in details directly inside of lightfunnels if you'd like to. So like first name, last name, email, and then direct them towards the chatbot platform of choice. But for me, since I already want to grab all the credentials inside of my chatbot, I just direct them towards my chatbot instead. I'm just setting up a good landing page, good visual landing page inside of lightfunnels. Don't mind the design right now because this is just an example, of course, but this allows you to build really good looking and appealing landing pages and then direct them towards the chatbot for a good, smooth customer experience. This could be a page, a landing page where people can claim VIP lifetime access and save $300. So if they press this, we should go to Messenger in this case and enter my chatbot flow. So if we do that, you can see that we just entered the flow. So, hey Mark, great to see you here. What is the email I can send the $300 discount coupon to? So I can just select my email. Let's just select it. From here, you will see that I just sent an email towards this email address to make sure that this is the right one. So basically, this is a built-in email verification, right? But if the user wants to change their email, they can do so as well. This will basically root out any fake emails that people give to receive the coupon. So if I go towards my Gmail, I should receive this email directly. So let's take a look. So as you can see, I just received the email. So I'm going to say verify email, and that should take me back towards the chatbot. So let's take a look if that works, right? And as you can see, awesome, thanks for confirming your email there, Mark. You are all set, so let me grab the coupon and send it your way. Then I will get the coupon and I will also be able to claim my VIP spot for the membership with this code. And this code will bring me back towards the lightfunnels checkout page where I will be able to enter it down below. As you can see here, promo code, and then we'll be able to check out using that discount. Now, the magic happens after this part, basically. So this is the conversational based part inside of the chatbot. And now we are going to take another look, because how can we make the chatbot send those emails based on logic, right? So if we take a look here, so as soon as a user presses the claim a VIP spot, so to go towards the checkout, right? So towards this checkout, then we will be able to add a tag. Add a tag, press to lightfunnels checkout page. In this case, I'm also going to directly send them an email with the coupon code because I promised them that to send an email as a backup, right? So they always have access. And the same goes with this claim offer. So this button goes directly towards the checkout page inside of lightfunnels. as soon as they press that, then they will be able to add this tag to their account as well. Now I'm automatically going to wait for 4 hours, and then I'm going to continue to the next step. And the next step is to check if the user pressed towards the checkout. So did they press this button, or did they press this button? And this is what this condition checks. If they did not, they do not have this tag, right? And then I will be able to send them an email reminder, basically contains that they did not go to the checkout yet. So this email could look something like this. Hey, first name, I noticed that you did not yet claim your $300 discount. Just want to make sure nothing went wrong or you had any questions before joining. You can let me know by replying to this email, or just grab the checkout, right? And if they say I need help, that's also an option that will go to my customer service flow. Now, if they did press towards the checkout, I'm going to check, did they become a member? Because every single member will have this tag. So as soon as they purchase the membership, they should have this tag as well. If yes, then I don't have to do anything because the funnel has ended and they became a member. But if not, I'm going to send them an email reminder that they went to the checkout but did not purchase yet. So that could look something like this. I noticed you went to the checkout but did not become a member yet. What went wrong? Do let me know, as I'm here for you if you have any concern or doubts. And then they could press I have a question, reply to the email, and if they press the button, they will go towards the customer service ask a question flow. Or they can just go towards claim the VIP spot, and then they will get that tag again. Now we are going to continue and wait for another 4 hours. And now I'm wanting to do a different kind of condition, because now I want to see, did they open this email? So I can go inside of the conditions, and inside the conditions you have all kinds of conditions based for email. You can do that based on email sent, email delivered, email opened, or even email clicked. So that is something that you can do as well. For me, I just set it to email opened, and then send email reminder, went to checkout but no purchase, which basically comes towards this email, right? So it checks the title of the email block itself. So did they open this email? If yes, then you could go with, did the user go to the checkout? If so, they should have this tag. And then you could go with the same condition again with, did the user become a member? If yes, you don't have to send any kind of email, but if no, you can send them another email. And the same goes, if they did not open this email, you can send them another email, basically an email follow-up with no response. And this way you can set up a whole advanced email marketing funnel, just like you could do with MailChimp or ActiveCampaign or any ESP provider that you want to. So combining elements like lightfunnels as your landing page builder to let people sign up, drive traffic towards that landing page, let people sign up, go towards your chatbot, you grab the email address directly inside the chatbot, and you will be able to set up these kinds of advanced email campaigns directly inside of UChat in this case. So for me, this allowed me to drop my ESP, which was ActiveCampaign at first, and just build the entire email marketing campaign directly inside of the chatbot itself. It allows me to manage all the conversations, but also all the email marketing campaigns. And it's far more easy than switching between the two platforms and trying to combine them, because in this case, you can combine them directly inside of UChat. So if you found this video helpful, consider dropping a like, because it will help me to show the YouTube algorithm that these kinds of videos are actually helpful, and will allow me to help even more people that way. If you want to be notified when more of these kinds of videos go live, just press the subscribe button and the bell notification to the right of it. If you want to start with chatbot building, but you do not have the experience or you find it time consuming, you can also download my chatbot starter package, which is linked inside the video description as well. So for now, have a great day, take care, and talk soon.